Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a digital product. So first things first, you have to create an account on Canva. You can create an account using your email or you can just link your Google account. So after that, you have to go to create the design and then here we're going to search for a perfect style or let's just say perfect size for our digital product. So before that, I'm going to show you steps here. The first one is you have to pick your digital product idea. So basically, in order for you to create a digital product, you must know first what type of digital product you want to create. You can have ebook, planner, you can just basically look for a specific size or format for that in Canva, then you can create a digital product for that. So for this tutorial, we will be creating an ebook for cooking, something like that. So as you can see here, we have the step 2 below. If we're going to create an ebook for a digital product using Canva, then we can choose the format like the A4 format for that. As you can see, A4 documents for ebooks and other template. You can use presentation and Instagram posts. Everything is up to you. But for our digital product, we will be using the A4 document. So I'm going to copy this one and then go back to your Canva and then search for A4 size or format. Then Canva will show you different templates for A4. So as you can see, here are the result. There is also A5 and others, but this time we will be focusing on the A4. So let's look for the A4 document for that. Okay, so here's the thing. You just have to click and then it will take you directly to the blank page. Here you can start your digital product. So since we will be creating ebook for cooking for beginners, so you can go to design and then search for cooking or cook, beginner, something like that, any keyword right here. And then Canva will show you this. All you have to do is to select one and then edit the information, images, element, and so on. But for this tutorial, we will be starting from scratch. So I'm going to delete this one and then I'm going to show you the step by step on how to create a digital product like ebook that you can sell after you finish it. So first you have to go to the color background. So you have to select that specific background color for your digital product right here for ebook. So you can search for solid color. You can also search for gradient color. So you can just pick from any of this color right here. And then once you have that perfect color that you can use for your background, then it's time for like element or text. So here I'm going to look first the perfect background color for my ebook. Then after that, I'm going to click this element right here. And then I'm going to search for like cooking or cook. And then once you tap on the search icon right here, you have your option if you're going to use a picture like a real photo or you can use from any of the graphic right here for the cooking keyword. So as you can see, these are the results for graphics. And if you want to use photos, everything is up to you. But for this digital product that I'm going to create for ebook, I want to create it using graphics. But actually, you can create your own. You can choose from photos. So let me go back to graphics and then search for that specific element right here. For example, this one. So let's just say this is the cover of your digital product, the cover of your ebook. You can resize it, the graphic, the element. And then once you have this, then you can now start adding text. So you can go to text and then add text right here. You can add the name of your ebook, of your digital product here. You can ask ChatGPT for titles, for names, or you can create your own, which is better. So this is what it looks like. Now you can change the font style. You can tap this and then search for that font style that you want. And aside from that, you can also change the font color. And the good thing about Canva is that you can also add some effects for your font right here, as you can see. there is this effect option right here, and then you can choose outline, drop, everything is up to you, or background. Then you can increase intensity or thickness. So after that, once you have selected the perfect font or font style for the name of your digital product or ebook, you can now add elements if you want. So basically, you can search again for cook or ingredient and then go to graphic. And all you have to do is to drag these elements right here. Okay, so basically you can just look for more in the magic recommendation. In Canva, there is this magic recommendations where you can look for more elements, more objects that you can use for your project. So this is what it looks like. All you have to do is to drag and then add it here in the page. So everything is up to you. By the way, if you want to change or if you want to change the layer of each object, you can just basically right click and then look for layer, and then you have to tap on the backward. So it will not cover the main character or the main element here on your ebook. Okay, so you can add more, you can change that one later. You can also change the background color if you want, if you think that it's not matched to your uh, objects or to your text, so you can change that one later. Below, I have added the introduction of my ebook, my digital product. And again, you can change the font color, font size, you can change the effect if you want, and so on. So basically, this is what it looks like. And this is just the cover of my ebook, my digital product. You can do better than this, I know, but this is just a step by step on how to create a cover photo of your ebook here using Canva. So this is what it looks like. Okay. And then once you are okay with your cover photo, then of course you can proceed with the content of your ebook. So basically, what you're going to do here is to add page right here. You can add page, and then once you have this add page right here, and then you can change the color, you can add more elements if you want, you can add more objects if you want. So basically that's it. So as you can see, I'm not yet finished with the cover photo. I want to change the elements that I have added here, and as you can see, this is what it looks like. Okay, so once you're contented with the result, then now it's time to go to the second page or content for your ebook, for your digital product. And all you have to do here is tap on add page and then add more elements and also text. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to add another element again for cooking. Okay, or let's just say I don't want cake, I want, let's just say, cooking. I want to change this one later. So basically that's it. Then add the text, add the information, the beginning of your chapter. You can add it right here. And then you can add more elements. You can add more information. This serve as the chapter one. So again, I'm going to change the graphic. So I'm going to add this one right here, like kitchen, because chapter one is about getting ready for your tools. So I'm going to add the kitchen graphic right here, element right here, and I'm going to place the position, change the position, and add information. Okay, so you can also change the format. You can change everything here if you want. And once done, you can tap on the share and then choose PDF and download. And basically, that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.